Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Field Nation mobile app works, a platform designed to connect businesses with freelance, IT and field service professionals. The app helps technicians find contract work and manage every part of the process, from getting job offers to getting paid all in one place. With the Field Nation app, users can browse nearby work orders tailored to their skills and location. The app displays details like project scope, pay rate, and client expectations. Once a job is accepted, users can check in and out, upload deliverables, get client sign-off, and submit invoices. Notifications help freelancers stay updated on new opportunities or changes in active projects. The app also supports profile management, allowing users to highlight certifications, experience, and client reviews to improve job matching. Pros of the Field Nation mobile app include a wide range of contract opportunities, especially in IT, bus systems, and telecom setups. It also offers built-in tools for managing schedules, paperwork, and payments, streamlining freelance work into one app. Another advantage is the payment protection feature, which ensures users are paid once the client approves the work. On the downside, some users report competition for jobs can be high in certain areas, and platform fees may reduce final earnings. Recent user feedback highlights the app's usefulness for freelancers seeking flexible work in their local areas. Many technicians appreciate the ability to find gigs quickly and manage everything from the mobile interface. However, others have noted occasional glitches or delays with job postings or communication from clients. Overall, the Field Nation mobile app is a strong option for independent professionals in field service industries. Its functionality, project volume, and built-in support tools make it a solid platform for earning and managing contract work on the go. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.